Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for a quick haul. I'm not sure what this actually is, honestly. I think this might be the little atomizer. Max Aroma. It is. It's the atomizer that I got of the big one. It is the Giardini di Toscana Oro perfume. I was not going to buy the whole one until I at least smelled this and used it all up. So Max Aroma does that's really nice though. These little atomizers. It's like a leather. That's really nice. And I'm pretty sure it's refillable. Let me see what the notes of this one are. That is super strong. Here I go, wasting it. Okay, this one's good. Okay, let me tell you what the notes are. Okay, this one it's $160 for the 100 milliliter bottle. That's what it looks like. And the fragrance notes are almond blossom, rose, heliotrope accord, wildflower honey, vanilla berries, coconut, iris, tonka bean, benzoin, white musk, sandalwood, and cedarwood. And it says it's a gourmand, powdery, soft, resinous, balsamic, sweet, woody, and fresh. It says Oro Emile speaks of a beauty that does not show itself, but is felt. It is an intimate fragrance created for those moments when you need to listen to yourself and feel good in your own company. The opening is soft and radiant. Almond blossom and rose immediately create a welcoming sensation, while a heliotrope brings a calm and continuous glow. At the heart, wildflower honey takes center stage, warm and enveloping, accompanied by vanilla and coconut that enhance its sweetness without making it excessive. In the base, a powdery iris, which, together with the honey, lends a discreet and sophisticated sensuality, made even more harmonious by white musk, sandalwood, tonka bean, and cedarwood. An elegant presence, one that accompanies you and lingers on the skin. That's really good. I don't know if I would ever pay $160 for a perfume though, but it is really, really good. But it's not beast mode. Like, I feel like if I'm going to pay $160 for a perfume, I want it like to be really strong. And I'm not getting that, but it's a really good skin scent. But you do get that honey. If you don't like honey, you're not going to like this one. It's sweet though. But I'm happy with just having this because it's only something I would wear on like date night. I really like it. So think about always, don't just jump into buying $160 perfume. I want to say this was like $25 for the 0.17 ounce 5 ml refillable atomizer. So yeah, it's Max Aroma Warehouse is where I got this. Yeah, try them out like this. That's a really nice bottle too. I really enjoy that. Yeah, I really like it. Like I said, I smell 90% honey in it. But you guys know I like the sweeter. That's really, really good though. If I ever use it all, I mean, I would ask for it for like an anniversary present or something like that, I'm not just going to go spend $160 on a fragrance. But that is really good. That is really, really good. I have the second song on right now, so I don't want to waste it. Oh, that is so good. I can't believe I wasted it on paper. It dries down to like your skin but better. I don't think it's going to leave a scent trail. Maybe it will. I haven't worn it though. Yeah, so I'll get back to you guys on that. But I really, really like that. Again, it's the Oro Emile by Giardini di Toscana. You can get this is from luckyscent.com, or you can get the little 1 ml like this size for $6 from there. But yeah, definitely don't just jump right into buying it. Make sure you like it first. But it's a beautiful, beautiful scent. Nothing like I've smelled before. I have a honey one, but I believe it's Lattafa or Paris Corner, one of the two. And this is so different. This is like, it smells expensive, but really, really edible. So good. I'm obsessed with that actually. It's really good. But think about doing that. Max Aroma is a great company. I like how they do that. But thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys. I will, put the link down below for you to pick this up or pick up the big one. But these are pretty nice. I can't tell how full it is because anyway, but I love it. I love that scent. It's really good and it's good for spring. I'm going to wear it tomorrow. But anyway, thank you again. Please thumbs up this video, hype this video as well. And if you're not subscribed already, please do. And check out my daily lives at the end of the day. 90% of the time, my lives, you'll get to see what I'm hauling. This one you won't because I literally just ended a live. It's the weekend, so I don't usually do it that way. But thank you so much for being here, guys. And I will see you soon. Bye.